Hello, in front of me I've got DEWALT Palm Grip Sander. In this video I'll explain to you personal safety. Firstly, stay alert, watch what you are doing and use common sense when operating a power tool. Do not use power tool while you are tired or under the influence of drugs, alcohol or medication. Use personal protective equipment. Always wear eye protection. Prevent unintentional starting. Ensure the switch is in the off position before connecting to power source. Remove any adjusting key or wrench before turning the power tool on. Do not overreach. Keep proper footing and balance at all times. Dress properly. Do not wear loose clothing or jewelry. Keep your hair and clothing away from the moving parts. If devices are provided for the connection of dust extraction and collection facilities, ensure that these are connected and properly used. Do not let familiarity gained from frequent use of tool allow you to become complacent and ignore tool safety principles. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.